Hi, I'm Jim Lucas, Director of New Product Development for Dorman Products. Today, I'm excited to introduce Dorman's newest product line, mass airflow sensors. During this brief video, I will share some information highlighting the coverage, quality, and advantages that the Dorman mass airflow sensor program offers you. Dorman has decided to develop a new mass airflow sensor program because technicians asked us to. Service techs are frustrated with existing mass airflow sensor programs and the high defect rate associated with them. In response to this request, Dorman is proud to offer a comprehensive line of top quality, new mass airflow sensors to the aftermarket. Based on feedback directly from technicians and our own research, it became clear that in a typical mass airflow repair, only the sensor needs to be replaced. Currently, technicians are forced to purchase an entire assembly along with the replacement sensor. At Dorman, we think differently. We believe technicians should not have to pay for an entire assembly just to replace the sensor. Dorman's exclusive new sensor-only program allows you to save money, not only on the part, but on bay time as well. Let me show you how quickly a Dorman sensor can be installed versus a typical assembly replacement. On the left is a typical mass airflow sensor assembly repair. On the right is Dorman's new mass airflow sensor being replaced into an existing housing. It is easy to see how much time can be saved by simply replacing the failed sensor rather than the complete assembly. In this case, the Dorman sensor was finished well before the complete assembly. Dorman offers you the advantage of flexibility along with solid coverage. Our mass airflow sensor program offers the most popular failure-prone sensors that are actually in demand. As a program, Dorman's mass airflow sensors will provide comprehensive coverage for today's vehicles. Coverage includes Ford, GM, Chrysler, Toyota, Volkswagen, and many more. While Dorman's mass airflow sensor program offers the ability to buy and replace only the sensor, we do understand that in some cases the original unit does not allow for a sensor-only repair. In these cases, Dorman will provide a direct replacement full assembly. Coverage, cost savings, and flexibility are only parts of what Dorman offers. In addition, the Dorman mass airflow sensor program offers uncompromising quality, competitive pricing, the latest design improvements, and more. Here to share some information on the quality process that Dorman sensors undergo is Steve Ide. Steve is the manager of our product engineering team.
As quality is key to service technicians, Dorman takes great measures to ensure that our sensors will function properly. Dorman sensors undergo testing at each stage of production. Our process begins with dimensional validation to ensure proper fit and function. Next, our sensors go through electrical contact validation to verify proper electrical connection, inputs, and function. As each sensor is unique, mass airflow calibration occurs next. This step confirms that the performance curve of the Dorman sensor precisely matches the original unit. Material certification verifies that the materials used in Dorman sensors will function properly in a variety of engine operating conditions. Finally, each Dorman sensor undergoes complete on-vehicle testing to ensure application and performance compatibility.
Dorman's mass airflow sensor program provides you with a competitively priced alternative to reman, along with substantial savings over new programs offering full assemblies. Unlike remanufactured sensors, Dorman sensors are 100% new. This allows us to implement the latest design changes from the OE manufacturer. To illustrate this point, I've laid out samples showing reman and the latest OE design. As you can clearly see, the OE's made substantial design improvements. On the far right, you see the Dorman unit. Dorman's sensor matches the latest OE design in form and function. We are able to do this because our program features 100% new and does not rely on core. Our design doesn't just stop with the parts. We constantly look for ways in which our customers can benefit from our program. In developing this new line, a frequent concern among our customers was the importance of conserving shelf space. To aid in minimizing our product footprint, packaging for Dorman's mass airflow sensor program has been streamlined to the smallest possible size. In addition, Dorman's 100% new sensor program eliminates the hassle and cost associated with handling core, saving you time and money. For more information, please visit www.dormanproducts.com.